Enough your teaching?
Yes!
Enough starlight?
Yes! They know how to sing it.
They have to sing it.
Yes,
Wow.
they can.
Can I hear you? Can I hear you sing it? How amazing! What's your name? Can you tell me your name, kid?
Yes, of course. All right,
On the right. Let's go on the right.
Start. Hayden. And T. Vasilisa. Kira. Inti daw. Gabriele. Adam. Gabriel. Krista. Who? And Eliana.
Wow! Thank you guys so much for your love and support. Gracias por support Colorado por Colorado.
We've told them. We thought they have some questions for you. We thought they prepared some questions to us.
Yes, you can answer now if you want. You can answer now.
Alright, let's start with Hayden.
Provate come sta dicendo il Oh, that's a really good question. I miss them every day. And every day I travel to go somewhere and obviously my family is from Malta. They live in San Juan. You know what San Juan is? You know what San Juan, next to Flema and St. Julian's. And so, yeah, I miss them a lot, especially when I'm traveling. But I try my best to come and see them every month. And then hopefully I will come see them next week. I will go see them next week. So I only have 7 days, so that's good.
That's fair. He's really looking forward to seeing his family. Good question. Alright, we have
Thank
a
you.
now.
Hello.
How old are you?
I am 26. 26. But I look like I'm 30. That's right.
Just like my mom?
Because we told them that you managed to become so famous at a very young age. And from a very small island, so that's...
I can't hear you very well.
Oh, sorry. Because we told them that you became really famous at a very young age.
Yeah.
And from a small island, so that's awesome. Tira, come.
My mom is 26. Just like this. What is the meaning of the song?
So the song meaning is about hope. You know how hard the past 2 years were with COVID and everyone staying inside and people get sad sometimes. So I wrote a song that makes people feel a bit better and feel good about themselves, about having a little hope that everything's going to be okay. And even if some days are bad, good days are around the corner. So never be sad. So whenever you get sad, sing the song.
That's
And you'll feel better.
fair. Say thank you. Shania, I have a question. Come. Lisa, say hi.
From where did you get the idea of art?
Of stars.
I'm in the same studio, I wrote Starlight in today.
Wow.
We wrote about, as I said, the way the gift of having a song, which will try to make people feel better and try to make people come together. We've always been inside wearing masks, not allowed to do anything, everyone's been tired, traveling has been hard, people have been away from their families. So it's like, it was a moment where we all came together and said, let's write a song about making us feel good, about looking to the stars, magic at the universe.
And it works because we love it, no? she's usually really confident and now she's really shy. Say thank you. We answered your question. Hey,
Have a lovely day.
Elena coming. Hey, Lydia.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Good. How do you make friends with famous DJs?
How do I make Alvin? So this is Alvin, guys. Alvin wrote something.
Hello. Say hi. Say hi.
Are you big fans of Sean?
Yes, we're all Maltese. And Marisa
He's got a very
Sky.
good voice, don't he?
He does. They've learned his song as well.
Can you ask the question again?
Yes. How did you make friends with famous DJs?
How do you make friends with famous DJs? That's a good question. Well, the more we just make him laugh. He loves to joke. He loves to joke. He loves to eat good food.
I think she's asking, like, how did you come to meet them?
I met them through Albert. It's always been through friends. Friends and friends. You meet them in the most random places, and in the coffee shops, restaurants, in the most in McDonald's, everywhere. In the most common places. They might be a famous person that they want to meet their house.
And we're speaking to him, actually. From our classroom. Really cool, alright, Elena. Gabriele coming. Hey, Gab.
Slow motion.
Oh.
Hello. What's your name? You look like a young boy, and I like young boys, because I'm not your
He makes them laugh a lot. He's a funny. Do you play any instrument and he even drew you something?
So, I play this.
What's that?
Guitar.
A guitar, right?
What's this? So I want to play the piano and the guitar. Look.
Hey, very good. Do you play any instruments, Peter? You play it. You play the guitar and
Who plays? If anyone plays an instrument, put your hand up. Now, if anyone can sing, put your hand up.
if you can sing, most of you can
And
sing.
if anyone can touch their nose with their tongue, put their hand up.
That's a complicated one. Adam, you wanna come? Let's go.
Hello. What's your name? How are you, Radha? I think that I play it. It's really cool. It's called the flute thing. No, I spend my time between London, Malta, and wherever the world takes me. So this year it was we spent a month in Amsterdam, then I spent probably about 3 weeks in Stockholm. It's always about spending every month is different. You never know where you're going to be.
Okay, every day is different.
So it's exciting. 1 month in Malta, 1 month in London, 1 month in Malta again. You know, it's always changing.
That's cool. We have multiple nationalities in the classroom as well. We have some from Argentina.
I can't hear you very well.
Sorry. We have multiple nationalities in the classroom as well.
Wow.
Adam's from India, we have some from Argentina, from Italy,
Argentina, you are multinational.
Yes, Marcella.
You used to have the World Cup. You have the World Cup in the classroom.
Yes, so every year is like that. Okay,
Thanks, that was my question.
so Gabriel, coming. Say hi.
Hello. What's your name?
Another in Bolivia, from Bolivia. Bolivia?
Hello.
He's from Bolivia. Mela. Ask him. Outside. Mixed
Look.
feelings.
I love water. I love summer. I love swimming. I love going to ski. Eating the donuts at the festa. Everything. But I also know that I have to always travel around. So I always make sure I go away to water so that I want to come back.
He goes back and forth. Has a good
I
balance.
always have a return ticket.
A good balance. Okay.
Okay.
Thanks for your question, young man.
Krista?
Questa è la carne.
La carnetta.
Alright, come on.
Come si vede?
Hello.
Tell him where you're from. No, where you went from.
Wow.
You can ask.
I love to eat food. I love to eat food. I love to swim. I love to play football with my friends. I love to play video games. I play video games every night. My girlfriend, my mother gets angry at me because she tells me, you have to spend time with me. I can't play video games.
So he's just like all of us. He has hobbies like all of us. Very normal. Hobbies, things that we like to do. Okay, good. And the last one.
Hello, what's your name? Hi, Jana. How old are you? 7. You're so old. You're nearly as old as me.
Maybe I can be
When's your birthday? It's past 30. Did you have a nice birthday?
Did you have a nice birthday?
Did you get presents and cake? Tell me a question. I'm not curious. I don't think I'm famous. I never say that about myself. Well, it's very flattering, and I'm really happy you think I am. But for me, I'm listening what I love, which is something which I don't ever people I have to do. Because I think in this world, people always tell us, can't do this, you can't do that, you have to do this. But I'm telling you, look at you can do anything you want. Anything, you name it. Think about your needs in your head and say, if I want to become a dancer, you can. If I want to become a singer, you can. So make sure you know what to say. You keep it in your mind and remind yourself, if you want to do anything, you can do it. All of you. If all of you want to do anything, you can do it. Go, everyone, I want everyone, close their eyes and think of something they want to be. And then keep this inside your head. And then ask them to teach what you want to do, and make sure you write it down on a paper and keep it inside your pocket. So when you go to school every day, you look at it and you say, I want to be a singer, I want to be a dancer, I want to be, and you will keep it in your pocket till you always remember.
Exactly. That's why actually right now we're talking about occupations. And we always talk about the traditional ones, you know, being a teacher, being
I find it so boring.
Yes,
I used
that's
to
why.
always,
We all
my
need to
mom was
expose
like,
them.
Sean, you should become a lawyer. And I'm like,
They should do what they
pick it up. I'll come pick it up and I'm going.
Alright.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you. Thank you.
Grazie a lei.
Thank you.